In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a working Telegram account on your Android phone. But however, before you can create a working Telegram account on your Android phone, you need two things. You need a phone number and also an email address, because they'll be sending you verification code to verify the ownership of those information. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. On your phone, you can install the app on Play Store. You can go to your Play Store, tap and open it, and then install the app. If you install the app, go to your phone home. You can see the app Telegram. Tap and open it. If you install the app for the first time, you will see this exactly. You can see, right? You can swipe this way. You can swipe again. You can swipe again. You can swipe again. And you can swipe again. Then you can now come and tap on this start messaging. So you can see here, allow Telegram to make and manage phone calls. Tap on this allow. So you can come here and then choose your country. If you're in Nigeria, tap right here. Then search for Nigeria. You can come on this search here and then search for your country. NIG. You see Nigeria and the country code is +234. Tap and select Nigeria. So come here and put the phone number you want to use. So I'll come here and put my phone number. If you put your phone number, tap on this next. You can see, is this the correct number? Tap on yes if it's correct. You can see, please allow Telegram to read the call log so that we can enter your code for you. Tap on this continue. You can see, allow Telegram to access your phone call log. Tap on allow. It's processing. You can see choose email. So you come here and put an email address. So I'll come here and enter my own email address. If I choose my email address, I'll come and tap on this next. You can see verify email. So right now they have sent a code to my email to come and put here to verify my email. So I'll go back to my email and get this code and put here. So if I get the code, I'll come here and put it right here. If I put the code, you see it went to the next page automatically. So right now they have sent a code again to my phone number. This phone number. So I also go to my phone number to get the code and enter here to verify that the phone number is mine. Okay, as you can see, I'm getting a call from Telegram with the code, so I will tap on answer.
Your Telegram code is 70197. Your Telegram code is 70197.
You can see I've entered the code. As soon as I enter the code, it took me to this page, means I have passed that level. You can see. So you can see enter name. So I'll come here and enter my name. I'll come here and put Mr. Book here. Mr. Book here. You can see. So I'll tap on this next. You can see welcome to Telegram. Congratulations to me. So right now I've opened or created a new Telegram account. You can see, right? So you can see Telegram needs access to your contact so that you can connect with your friends. You can tap on continue or not allow. You can tap on this continue and tap on this allow. Tap on this allow, and Telegram will fetch from your contact those that have Telegram accounts so that you can connect with them here easily. I can swipe down. You can see I'll start seeing all my friends that are on Telegram. You can see them so that I can easily connect with them. So I can do more setups by coming on this profile here and tap on it, and then I can come here and change several things. I can come right here and tap here and change my profile icon. You can see set photo. I will come right here and tap on this place here. I'll go to my gallery and then choose a photo to use as my profile icon. I can go back. I can tap on this edit info. I'll tap on it and then do several setup from here. I can change my name, change several things from here. I can as well go back. You can see, or from this home page, you can go on these settings here and then do several settings. You can see here, right? So maybe in my next video, I will show you guys how you can change several things from your profile. So I can go on this chat here. From chat here, you can scroll down on your contacts and chat or start chatting your friends. For instance, if I want to chat this my friend here, here's my second number, my MTN2. I can tap on it and then send a hi to my number or to my friend. You can send a hi and I will get it on my other line. You can see, right? So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye.